Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn all the prime numbers from 1 to 100 only using the table of 6. Remember, the first two prime numbers are 2 and 3. Now just add and subtract 1 from the table of 6. As 6 ones are 6, so 6 minus 1 is 5 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So the first prime numbers are 2 and 3 and the next ones are 5 and 7. Now 6 twos are 12, 12 minus 1 is 11 and 12 plus 1 is 13. So the next prime numbers are 11 and 13. Now 6 threes are 18, 18 minus 1 is 17 and 18 plus 1 is 19. So the next prime numbers are 17 and 19. 6 fours are 24, 24 minus 1 is 23 and 24 plus 1 is 25. But here 23 is the only prime number as 25 is divisible by 5. 6 fives are 30, 30 minus 1 is 29 and 30 plus 1 is 31. So the next prime numbers are 29 and 31. 6 6 are 36, 36 minus 1 is 35 and plus 1 is 37. As 35 is divisible by 5, so 37 is the only prime number here. 6 sevens are 42, 42 minus 1 is 41 and plus 1 is 43. So the next prime numbers are 41 and 43. 6 eights are 48, 48 minus 1 is 47 and plus 1 is 49. Here 49 is divisible by 7, so 47 is the only prime number. 6 nines are 54, 54 minus 1 is 53 and plus 1 is 55. So again 55 is divisible by 5, so 53 is the only prime number. 6 tens are 60, 60 minus 1 is 59 and 60 plus 1 is 61. So here 59 and 61 are the next prime numbers. 6 elevens are 66, 66 minus 1 is 65 and plus 1 is 67. So here 67 is the only prime number as 65 is divisible by 5. 6 twelves are 72, 72 minus 1 is 71 and plus 1 is 73. So here 71 and 73 are the prime numbers. 6 13s are 78. 78 minus 1 is 77 and plus 1 is 79. So here 79 is the only prime number as 77 is divisible by 7. Now 6 14s are 84. 84 minus 1 is 83 and plus 1 is 85. So 85 is divisible by 5. So 83 is the only prime number. Now 6 15s are 90, 90 minus 1 is 89 and 90 plus 1 is 91. So here 89 is the only prime number as 91 is divisible by 7. Now 6 16s are 96, 96 minus 1 is 95 and plus 1 is 97. 95 is divisible by 5, so 97 is the only prime number. So these are the all prime numbers from 1 to 100. Hope you will remember them now easily. For more interesting math tricks, just visit my channel. Thanks for watching.